Rebekah doll. We found her really cheap with a few other dolls, but this one, the person that had her before, her hair was like cut and everything, and so we are going to re-wig her. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment, and make sure you watch some of our other videos. We're going to go through different states and just stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to take the spoon, go like that, and you're going to slightly pull up her hair and just push in like that. You might need an adult's help. I couldn't get it off by myself, so my mom really had to help me because I would never have gotten it off without her help. There will still be some hair right there. You can take it off with nail polish remover. I heard that works really, really well, but we're just gonna keep that on since we're gonna have this new wig covering it. And this is what the old wig looks like. We chose this wig because it's really long hair, and I want long hair whenever I grow up, and because it's really pretty, it looks kind of like hers. Okay, so this is what it should look like. You can put it wherever you want. You just might have to put it on and off a few times just to make sure you know where it's supposed to go. And then you use the tacky glue to glue it on. Okay, so you want to take her wig off and you use the tacky glue. There's like this little circle thing right there, and you have to pour it in there and then put the wig on, and later use some super glue to slowly, one piece at a time, go right there to keep it on. Thanks again for watching, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you in our next video. Bye!